HUDCO. Get into a break. On the other side, before that, we've got Nimesh waiting by for our special segment, D Street Chatter. Nimesh, is today a bit of a disappointing session because somewhere in, mid-morning, we almost thought that, the weakness in the global markets will be overcome by the positive news in the bond front, and markets were in the green.
Yes, Masana, it's been an extremely choppy day of trade. We saw 60-point up, Nifty rallying as well, and now we've almost given up and we are down 70 odd points. So a swing on both sides. But again, the positive news of the bond index inclusion got only rubbed into the PSU bank stocks. That's the only pocket which is doing good post the market opening. The PSU bank index is up 3% and the individual stocks are also up and on good volumes as well. So that clearly stands out as far as the today's move is concerned. Even outside the PSU bank index or on the overall market, some bit of profit booking is clearly visible. The pharma index is down today. A lot of pharma stocks are under pressure, and so is the case with some select technology names as well. So that actually sums up the overall mood as far as market is concerned. Even in the broader market, while the broader market is relatively outperforming, there is a sense now that some smarter HNIs are looking to book profits and are actually sellers in the broader market. So the index may look strong, but there is supply in the broader markets from the HNIs, and from the overall market perspective, the flows are quite mixed. But the clear standout is the PSU Bank Index.
Got it. All right, PSU Bank Index. Nimesh, what about individual stocks though? What are you picking up?
Well, actually, in terms of individual names, the first stock on my list is Cholamandalam Holdings, which is the holding company of the Chola Group. The stock is under pressure today on the back of some large blocks. I understand the promoter entity was a seller in today's block and a long-only FI was a buyer. Now, as far as the promoter entity is concerned, I believe it's largely to do with the settlement within the family group. So, one of the promoter entity, as part of the settlement, has sold in today's block. So, that exclusion could be quite interesting in Chola Holdings. So, that's the first one. The second stock is Vaibhav Global. Again, we don't talk too much about this stock, but the stock is buzzing in trade today and on decent volumes as well. I understand a corporate development is round the corner. A potential acquisition in the US could be on the card. So that's the reason why some sort of excitement in that stock in today's trade. The third stock, it's basically Tata Communications and Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel, I've been highlighting for the last few days that there is strong buying interest back from the large institutions. Tata Com stands out today purely on back of buy flows. So the stock is not reacting today, but there is accumulation happening from a larger FI in Tata Com as well. And the last stock is HUDCO. The whole theme of this PSU buzzing, continues. Today, HUDCO is on HNI radar. A lot of, there is a strong buy flow as well from larger HNIs, is what I understand. But again, it's a low liquid stock. If you look at the shareholding pattern, government plus LIC owns close to 86, but that stock is buzzing on the back of HNI flows.
Thank you, Nimesh, for that interesting list. As always, get into a break. On the other side, we'll get you a few BTST calls from our technical experts. Stay tuned.